Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best 2013 F150 headlights is probably one of the most critical components for safe night driving. Upgrading your headlights can significantly improve visibility, whether you're dealing with dark roads or harsh weather. We're diving into the best options available, comparing features like brightness, durability, and ease of installation to help you find the perfect match for your truck. Number 5. DNA Motoring Chrome Amber Headlights for 09-14 F150. This headlight is designed to fit the 2009 to 2014 F150 models. It's a direct replacement, ensuring a perfect fit for your vehicle. This makes installation straightforward. The headlight uses H13 bulbs for both high and low beams. Please note that the bulbs are not included. You'll need to provide your own to complete the setup. The package includes a pair of headlights, one for the driver's side and one for the passenger's side. These are great for show use or to replace old and worn headlights, giving the car a fresh look. It offers a plug-and-play operation, meaning it's designed for direct bolt-on installation. No modifications or drilling are required. This simplifies the installation process significantly. While it's designed for easy installation, professional installation is highly recommended. Instructions are not included, so it's best to seek professional help for the best results. What we like. This headlight features a classic chrome amber design, giving your F150 a clean, updated look. It's also designed for plug-and-play operation, meaning easy installation without modifications. If you are looking for a simple upgrade that enhances both style and functionality, this is a great choice. What people say. Purchased and installed these with my daughter's help in less than 30 minutes for both lights. The road is now extremely bright at night and it's a safer environment for me to drive in. Fit well on 2011 Raptor, super easy to install. Number 4. DNA Motoring Headlights for 09-14 F150. This headlight is designed to fit the 2009 to 2014 F150 models. However, it is not compatible with the FX4 trim. Make sure this is the right fit for your vehicle. The headlight uses H13 bulbs for both high and low beams. Please note that the bulbs are not included. You will need to purchase them separately. The package comes with a pair of headlights, one for the driver's side and one for the passenger's side. It's perfect for show use or to replace your old headlights. Installation is easy with its plug-and-play design. It's a direct bolt-on replacement for your stock unit, requiring no modifications or drilling. Please use the part finder to verify fitment before purchasing. Professional installation is highly recommended, and instructions are not included with the product. What we like. This product offers a smoke lens amber design for a more aggressive and stylish appearance. It's also designed for easy installation, making it a straightforward upgrade. If you like a more unique look and want a hassle-free installation, then this is the perfect option for you. What people say. Well, made exact fit for the Ford F-150 for my buddy's truck, he is happy with the upgrade. Factory fit and quality, very impressed with the overall appearance on my truck. All lamps and lamp holders fit and locked in place perfectly. I can't find any faults so far. The soft tint gives me the exact look I wanted. Have had several pairs of aftermarket headlights over the years and they always fog first time through car wash. I have been through at least 15 times so far with no fog or issues. Paired with some LED headlight bulbs they are great. Number 3. PIT 66 Headlight Assembly for 09-14 Ford F150. These headlights offer a cool look and significantly improve illumination. They enhance safety and make your vehicle more recognizable, helping you avoid potential accidents on the road. Designed specifically for 2009 to 2014 Ford F-150 models with factory halogen headlights. Please note that it is not compatible with factory xenon HID or LED-style headlights. Ensure this is the right fit for your vehicle. The strong sealing structure ensures the headlights are completely waterproof. This design prevents moisture from entering, allowing them to perform reliably in any weather condition. Advanced lenses provide better visibility and more focused beams. This makes them a brighter and safer alternative to your old or dim headlamps. Maintaining these headlights is crucial for your safety and the safety of others. Installation is straightforward, with no modifications required. These headlights are produced under strict quality control standards, ensuring a hassle-free installation process. What we like. This headlight assembly provides clear visibility and a strong sealing structure to prevent moisture. The advanced lenses provide better visibility and more focused beams, making them a brighter alternative to old, dim or yellow headlamps. If you prioritize safety and want to ensure optimal performance in all weather conditions, this is a great choice. What people say. Just put these on, the black smoke effect set, and they look great, fit great too, all the bulbs fit in the sockets correctly and the tabs line up perfect. You only have to splice 2 wires to add the white LED strip to the existing wiring. Perfect fit, couldn't look better. Number 2. Auto Dynasty LED headlights for Ford F-150. These headlights are designed specifically for Ford F-150 models from 2009 to 2014. They are a perfect fit for halogen headlight models, ensuring easy installation and a seamless upgrade. Made with high-quality ABS plastic and polycarbonate, the headlights are built to last. The sealed design provides excellent resistance to impact and water, ensuring they can withstand various conditions. Installing these headlights is a breeze with their direct bolt-on fitment. It's an ideal replacement for your old or worn-out headlights, and the set includes both driver and passenger sides. The headlights significantly improve brightness, allowing you to see the road clearly. This enhanced visibility helps you avoid accidents and makes driving safer, especially at night or in bad weather. The headlights use H7 halogen bulbs for high and low beams, which are included. They feature a black housing with clear lenses and corners, and the LED daytime running lights add a modern touch. What we like. This headlight features integrated LED daytime running lights for enhanced visibility and a modern look. It also boasts a solid waterproof design, ensuring durability. If you are looking for a headlight that combines style, safety, and durability, this is the one for you. What people say. They look perfect on 2011 F-150. Made it look a lot newer. Beam cutoff is good, especially at this price. Fit is okay. Had to remove the metal clips for it to properly. Will not work with aftermarket LEDs without modification, comes with H7 halogens, had to use a file to get the bulbs to fit, which I would not recommend. Haven't had a problem yet with moisture. DRLs are super bright. Would also add some orange LED side marker lights because of the clear reflector. Number 1. AmeriLite LED headlights for 2009 to 2014 Ford F-150. Tired of the old headlights? These AmeriLite LED headlights are designed specifically for your 2009 to 2014 Ford F-150. It's a complete set for both sides. These headlights are made to fit the halogen headlamp version of your Ford F-150. Installation is easy, and it's a direct OEM replacement, so no modifications are needed. The headlights feature LED bar and square projector design. They include high and low beam bulbs for improved visibility. You'll notice a big difference at night. This is a new aftermarket part that meets or exceeds DOT and SAE standards. You can be confident in its quality and performance. It's designed for safety. The set includes both driver and passenger side headlights. The installation is straightforward, making it a hassle-free upgrade for your truck. Get yours today. What we like. This headlight features an LED bar design, offering a distinctive and modern appearance. It's also a direct OEM replacement, ensuring a perfect fit and easy installation. If you are looking for a stylish upgrade that's also easy to install, then this is the perfect option for you. What people say. Easy to install, simply remove 3 10mm bolts and easy the old lights out. Reconnect the fittings, easy the new units into the side catches and reinstall the 3 10mm bolts. The DRL gives it a modern look. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.